see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Yung spring roll, ayan. Hindi pa siya nagba-brown. Ayan, luto na yung first batch. Ayan na siya. Ang gagawin ko is ipapatayo ko dyan para tumulo pa yung oil. So, yun ang ating gagawin. Wait lang. Ayan na yung second load ng spring rolls and ito yung mga luto. And tingnan nyo, ang ganda ng pagkakaluto ko. As in, golden na golden talaga siya. Golden brown. And walang pumutok. Ayan, kung may pumutok man, wala, hindi siya lumabas. Kasi nga, tingnan nyo, diba? Walang lumabas na karne. Walang lumabas na karne. So, ayan. So, update ko na lang kayo mamaya pag ito'y luto na kasi mag-asikaso na rin ako. Asikaso ko yung mga bata. Ayan, magpipictorial kami pero walang proper dress. Ayan, si Jan kasi. Tingnan mo. Si Jan.
Mom, you're beautiful.
See?
Hello?
How about Kuya or Daddy?
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Magpipictorial lang kami. Saglit. Kasi wala kaming family picture this year. Okay, come on, Baba. Baba. I know, honey. Kaya yan, wala kami kasi mahigit. Is it almost 1 month, Han? Or more than 1 month? Over a month na siyang ganyan. Kaya hindi kami makapag-pictorial talaga na nagawa ko every year. Tingnan mo siya, oh. Bigla na lang nag-swell yung niya, yung knees niya. Tapos nagpaano na kami, pumunta na siya ng Adelaide. Sabi, everything is normal. Kailangan lang daw ipahinga yung paa niya. Okay, wait, babe. Tapos na kami mag-pictorial. Gagamitin ko tong Marc Jacob na bag. Sabi ko, i-haul ko to. Pero ipakita ko pa rin sa haul to. Pero ayan, eto siya. Ang cute, diba? Si ano to eh? Si Susie and Anna. I think. Ha? Okay. Alis na kami. Nagmamadali na si Jan. Ang sakit ng tuhod talaga ni Jan. Tsaka yung shoulders niya. Sobrang ano naman to. Yung ganyan. Oh, ang daming plastic. Talagang walang ano siya. Tawag nun. Kailangan mo ng gunting. Yes, baby, we're going. Yeah. In a minute, Baba. Gustong-gusto niya pumunta kila Auntie Mel.
Mr. Bubbles, you're coming with
So,
me.
yan, meron pa. Nakabalot ng eto yung ring. Yung parang lalagyan ng... Hoy! Yung lalagyan ng ano? Yung shoulder bag. Shoulder strap. Papa, don't! Pinapatay kayo. Ayan. Ito. Kailangan ko talaga ng gunting. Kuha ko ng gunting kasi hindi ko ito maalis. Nagmamadali na kami kasi 12 na. Ayan, luto na yung spring rolls. Ayan na siya. Merong nagganito, konti lang yung parang nagbubbles, pero hindi siya pumutok. Ayan. So, ito lang siguro mga 4 o 5 ganyan. So, ayan. Okay, wait, I'm gonna cover it, Kuya, wait. So, yan yung adobo. Dalawa siya, pero sabi ni Kuya TJ, iwan ko raw tong isa para sa kanya. So, iwan ko na lang yan kasi ang dami rin naman. May mga luto din doon. So, ayan, diling ko lang isa. Ha? Ayan, on the way na kami doon. Holly. That's Holly. Si Holly naghanap ng shades. Give it to Holly.
And then my old ones.
Put them on Holly. Zach.
Zach. Ayan, papunta na kami sa bahay ng kapatid ni Jan. Merry Christmas, Zach!
Merry Christmas!
Holly, what you gonna say? Merry Christmas! Holly, say Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Injured yan. So, akala ko kung magdadrive, sabi niya siya na lang daw. Ayaw niya talagang pag-drive-in, pagkasama ko siya kahit anong sakit ng braso niya. So, yeah. Hindi ko na masyado napakita yung spring rolls. Yung spring rolls, meron lang na siguro mga 5 na. Yung parang, alam mo, yung para siyang para siya naglobo. Yung parang buntis ba? Pero hindi siya pumutok. Pero the rest, good. So, yan. So, yeah. Excited? What? Song. Kasi, mahilig si Sak kumanta. Tulog na ang baba.
When did my son, he didn't die on any space. No, you can't. No, when there's no sign.
Tulog na siya, oh.
No, you can't, Dad.
Malapit na kami.
Sign.
Yung dalawa, nag-argue sila about sa speeding papuntang Melbourne tsaka Adelaide.
Any space. Yes, it will.
Tingnan, nag-argue sila about speeding. What are you saying, Zachary?
Nothing.
Ang gamit ko palang foundation is yung Estee Lauder na torta ba yun? Torta ba yun? Ano na torta? Rata, oh my God. Tortang talong.
It's large.
Lagi niyang inano ang daddy niya kasi nga ang daddy niya in pain. So si Sak lagi siya, you're walking like an old man. Ginaganon siya, like grandma.
He said,
Grandma.
Hey? Oh, there's the dog.
Tapos yung lipstick kong gamit is, ano ba to? Yung lagi kong pinapakita sa inyo, yung Revlon. Nakalimutan ko. Basta yun, yung lagi kong pinapakita sa inyo, yun ang gamit ko. And si Holly still sleep. Malapit na talaga, sobrang lapit na kami. Ayan ang kawawa kong husband. Kawawa naman siya. Si Holly takot siya sa aso sa backyard. Ayun yung dalawa. Nag-change na sila ng damit. And ayan. Is it fun? Takot sila sa aso kasi ang laki ng aso.
But Mom, there's no water in it.
Why?
Oh, no. Where do I find it?
Is this the same last year?
Yeah.
Ayun yung swimming pool nila, oh. Meron kami nito pero ewan ko saan ang linagay ni John. Oops! Careful! Tingnan nyo si Sak. Tingnan nyo, ha? Tingnan nyo si Sak. si kuya din, oh. Alis dyan, Sak! Wala pa yung pinsa nila. Si Holly, takot siya sa aso. Holly! What are you eating, Baba?
Sprung.
Are you close with Brad?
You don't even like that.
Close na siya kay Brad, oh.
Eat it. Is it yum or not?
Kasi takot siya sa aso. Kasi yummy, Baba? Uy! Say hi to the dog. Cuddle pa. Not yet pa. Later. Later. Cousin Hunter, say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Nana. Merry Christmas, Mom. Merry Christmas. Naiwan namin yung fruit salad. But mga handa, hindi nyo pa makikita kasi para mainit siya i-serve. Ito pa lang yung na-expose. Yung lobster. Ayan. So, ayan. At saka yung fried rice ni Mom and ano to? Noodles. Prawns.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Stepdad cut himself on the leg with his arm and he's made up.
Tignan na natin. So, ayan.
I knew he passed away.
What's that, Mom? Salad. Salad niya. Ayan ang tuhod niya, oh. Melissa. Nice, isn't it? Nice. Ayan, buksan na raw natin. Time to eat. So, ayan, corn. Potato.
I
Is
think
it
people
yam?
know what they are.
And what's this?
Lamb.
Yeah, lamb.
Chicken no bacon.
Pork. Here's the pork can.
Is that one you cook?
Hey,
Which one you?
One you cook?
Which one you cook?
me, I didn't cook any.
Ito yung no bacon. Ito no bacon.
Yeah. Lahat.
Yummy. So yan, nabuksan na yung pagkain lahat. What do you want, Han?
Fried rice. Pork.
Pork? Okay.
Fried.
Chicken with no bacon.
None of these radishes?
Yeah. Buy one.
Yeah, we bought that.
What's that for you?
Who made these noodles? There's not enough sauce.
Which one? Which one? Yeah, it's fail. Ayan, kain time na sila. Baba. Baba. Baba.
She'll go.
TJ, that's my nana that I was talking about that I have the big motorbike at her house because she's got a farm. Yeah, he nodded. So we'll have to go right. He nodded. Yeah, I got myself one. You love the city, don't you?
Oh, good.
Feel it.
Do you not
You want
like
more,
peas?
Han?
I don't like peas either.
You don't like what?
I eat them in Nan's fried rice too because you can't even tell.
Yeah, I have that one.
Mami. Okay? Okay? You want more, Han? You want spring roll, Baba? Okay. Okay.
Butter. Bread roll.
No, you don't need butter, Baba. Oh, you want butter for your corn? After.
Mum did put butter on
Oh, you
it.
put there? Auntie Mel put butter there.
Yeah. Oh, you're right.
Eat. You want something, Han? You want me to get you a drink? What do you want? I'll get
how much
something,
you want?
some drink for Daddy.
Like lettuce.
Yeah, I'll get it.
And celery. That's nice to say.
Didn't you know they were there? Holly did. Holly's been eating them all the time.
Wait.
Yeah, he's like, he's full on like this. It's just like,
Here we are.
I'm looking at Mum, like they're all, like, they're Mum's looking at me like,
I already have golden gloves at home.
I must be super religious.
I don't know, I have trouble.
Ako na, Han. What do you need?
Well, they ate exactly.
Could I see?
You're gonna eat
What's that?
it. Pepper.
Yeah, I went round the room before.
I'll go, go.
Hang on. up.
You cried a lot.
What, Norway?
Yeah, I think it's got them, like grandma.
Yeah.
She passed away.
Not yet. Hunter, not yet.
8 more. We went to the swimming pool. They all a big plate of bloody noodles and stuff.
Yeah,
They ate a lot.
because they were
Then straight into swimming.
swimming again.
That's my fork.
Next,
That's your fork.
and my fork.
That's your fork. Yeah, it is.
Right, you'll still have food, right?
You said you started the potato bacon. When she carried it into the
Were they there when you were there? You were?
Go back on.
Pork.
Pork, papa.
Pork.
What year are you in?
Right.
Not anymore.
You want it?
What's wrong? You cold?
Also, Hunter and so it's just the same, huh?
No, Hunter's year 1 next year. That's reception next year. I'm year 2 next year.
Wow. Yeah.
Exactly what year 1? Is it year 1?
Reception.
Or are you still a
Reception.
kindy?
Reception, Dad.
Are you starting school? No way.
Yeah. One more gone.
Ayan, meron si tita niyang binigay sa kanya na full of lollies. Look,
The old church name.
binubuksan lang lolo niya. Oh. Is it hard, Dad? Oh, here you go, Baba. Ooh. Ooh. Here, ito yung laman is... Don't. You want some? Okay, thank you. Wow. Did you say thank you? Did you say thank you? That's all yours, Baba. Put it there. That's yours, Baba. Ang cute niya kasi may ano siya, oh. Ayan. At saka maganda kasi maliit lang yung size. Let me see, Baba. Oh, maliit lang. Paupat. Who's this one, Baba? Huh? Who's this one? Paw Patrol. Bago, no? Hindi ko na alam. You got?
I got Spider-Man.
Who's this one? Who's this one, Nak? Who's this one?
Star.
Ah, yeah, si Sky pala yan. Is it full of lollies too?
Yeah.
Did you say thank you to Auntie Mel? Huh?
Timmy.
Magsi-swimming na raw siya.
Oh, she's swimming in.
Hi. Merry Christmas. What's this ice? We should get one of this, hon. We don't have that at home. Oh! There's no what? Is that the same from last year? Dala. Takot siya sa aso.
Funny if you jumped in there, wouldn't it?
Go!
Want your present?
You want your present? Come on. Naiwan ko yung ano niya, yung two-piece niya. Two-piece. Ayan, suot niya yung ang dumi na, oh. Kasi sila Kuya Tijan, Kuya Sak, and yung cousin. Nagja-jump talaga sila dyan. Oh, now, solo mo na ngayon. Now, si Kuya nandito pa. Wow, swim, swim. Good girl. Open presents now, Kuya. Let's go. Come. Presents. Come on, get dressed, Baba. Come on, Holly. Come on, get dressed. Come on. Come on. na, Baba. Come here. Oh, come here. Yeah, gusto niya, oh. Don't drink the water, love. Come on. Come on. Boy, come on. Oh, sing for mommy, please. Sing. Louder, please. Oh, what else? Okay. What else? Okay. Okay, come on, let's go. That's it na. Bye. Ando na yung mga kasama niya. Oh. What's this daw? What's this? Yung aso. Ano? Ha? Oh. Ano ka ngayon? Halika na. Come on. Come on, love. Okay, see ya. Bye. Come on, here. Wait, careful. Careful. Wait. Where's your Christmas tree this year, Auntie Mel? Oh, you didn't put your Christmas tree this year?
This is from
For-
me, Holly and Zach.
For your birthday.
You're meant to be outside, mister.
Mel! Mel!
Next one.
What you get, Hunter?
Come in. Why don't they all come in?
Where's yours?
Is
Oh,
it-
you're going to sit right there too. He's helping. This one's from Auntie Leanne and Uncle John.
So what you gonna say? What you gonna say? Hi kiddos, what you gonna say? Holly, open it, Holly. Wow, you have all the same. Wow. Wow. Is it nice, Baba? Wow. What you gonna say?
Hey, right. Annie Mel, Annie Joanna.
What you gonna say? That's not yours? Wow. Holly, that's not yours. Holly.
This must be
Zach, it's got your name on it.
Zach.
Wow.
My brother, I accidentally picked one other one in Mum.
Put it in your bag.
Look at Holly. Baba, you alright?
Where's the comic book football?
Hey,
What?
what is it? What is it?
Moana. You like Moana?
Put these all together, otherwise they get messed up.
I already got it.
Oh, do you? Look at that.
Yeah.
Do you mind having a swap?
Front of the eyes.
You have to swap for this.
Make sure you put it in your bag.
I have food in the jumper. TK, food in it. Oh, I'm gonna enter the jumper.
What is it?
That's
What's, wow. What's that, Baba? Look. You got towel, yeah? Holly, more, Baba. We got more.
This is a dope bowl. This is dope bowl.
Put them in the bag.
Wow.
What is that? What's that mini one?
Hunter, you can go inside.
Yeah, I got the same. What's that? Open it. Oh, let's touch. Yeah, go food. I mean, oh no, animal on animal.
What's that, Baba? A movie? Moana?
What's this?
What's that? Wow! Perfect. Baba! Wow! What's that, Baba? What's that? Moana! Oh, she wanna open? Oh, what's that? Ayan, basura. Mel. Oh, give it to Auntie Mel. Oh, give it to Auntie Mel. Give it to Auntie Mel. That's for Auntie Mel. You got another one? Wow, look, Papa, look. Wow. Wow. Wow, that's pretty. Like it. Look at this, Papa, look. Boy. No, that's not lipstick. Not lipstick. No.
Lipsticks here.
There's lipstick. Ay, ang dami. Oh, ang cute. Wow, Holly. Wow. Holly, you got lip. Wow, that's nice. Oh, that's something. That's nice. That's pretty. Hug Auntie Mel. Hug Auntie Mel. Say thank you. Say thank you.
And she got perfume.
Uy, may perfume pa siyang ganda.
No, we'll do it after. We'll do it
After, Baba. Gusto niya na Here, Mama, look. Ang ganda. Oh, you're gonna do Mommy's hair? Wow. Oh. Ang ganda ng regalo kay Holly. Oh. Ang daming ano, oh. Ha? It's for my clip. For your hair, Baba. Pink. That's not pink. That's green. Look at this. Oh, what's that? For your, is it working? You have to put battery, Baba. Wow. Baba, look at this, Baba.
She wants it also.
Woo! Ganda. That's your mirror. Look at your face, your lipstick. That's pretty, Baba. Yes, babango. You got babango. Oh, smell. Oh, no, Baba. You spray like this. Oh, smells so good. Mel, the perfume smells good. Ayan, naka-curl, ano siya. Ang tawag dito? Roller? This one. Okay. Oh, so cute. Alright. Okay. Yeah. Ang ganda ng gift sa kanya. Oh, thank you, Baba. Oh, let me see myself. Oh, thank you. Alright. Hindi na siya umalis dito, oh. Oh.
Yeah, because I'm just
Cute. Oh, what else? Huh?
Mommy hair.
Mommy's hair. Okay. Okay.
Why are Max so wet?
Eh? Alis niya ako, oh.
Look at all the presents in 1 hour.
Tingnan, ang dami nilang regalo, oh.
1 minute. Look at mine.
Are you straightening your hair, Baba? You know how to use it. Very good.
Oh, this one. Look. No. Because it's easy just to so freaking heavy. Whose phone is that? This is your phone.
She loves it.
Look.
Yeah.
Ayaw niya nang lumabas, oh.
Yes.
Say yes, please. Gusto niya pabuksan si Moana. Oh, that's when we go to the beach, Baba.
Go to the beach.
I don't know, because she did say at the
Hang on, Baba. What you gonna say to Auntie Mel? What you gonna say? Baba, what you gonna say? Uy. Dessert time. Eto, homemade to na. Cream cheese ice cream, right? Yes. Cream cheese ice cream. Gawa ni Emma. Pamangkin ni Jan. And eto na yung fruit salad. Naiwan ko to. Kinuha to ni Ma'am tsaka ni Talana. Yung kapatid ni Jan. Ayan na yung fruit salad. Yummy. And eto yung mga fruits. So yan, ganyan yung itsura niya, yung cream cheese ice cream cake. So, dito naman sila after magbukas ng mga regalo, and dito naman sila naglalaro ng footy with Brad.
Oh, shut sauce.
Jack, leave, leave.
Rocket's loving it.
Leave, Zach. Go for it. There's heat. Oh!
Yeah!
Teams, John. It's Brad and TJ on to
ang magkakampi si Brad tsaka si TJ, and then si Sak tsaka si Hunter. Tingnan nyo, ang lit nilang dalawa. Si Sak tsaka si Hunter, tas Brad.
Go back, Zachary. Get around. Turn, go.
Go, Zach!
Go for it. Hey, I'll take it. Go for it, Zach.
Hunter! Hunter! Hunter!
Yeah! Now you will get it.
Take your action.
My phone's on charge. I've seen you meant to talk about stock and I reckon instead of
Go, Zach!
Go, Papa. TJ, leave alone. Look at Hunter. What did you get on Hunter?
Look at Hunter.
Hold the ball.
It's dark. It's against the light.
You get sunburnt sauce?
Tin, you gotta lay in the front.
No, I don't.
Well, look at the camera.
Holly! Smile, Baba!
Q&A. ACL.
Zachary, smile.
Yes, what?
B.
Can you flip him around, Tom?
Smile, Baba!
Yeah.
Put your hand through.
Holly, look! Holly, look! Holly!
Rylan, here. Woody. Rylan, up here.
May moment yung mag-ama doon.
And I'm like,
Unlimited lollies. And 2. Why? That's too much. Smile. Smile, Papa.
You don't look too happy.
What? Mama. What is that?
Lemonade.
You don't have to put like that.
We got these at school.
How much? $1? Because she always asks me, Mom, can I have $1, please? So, is it $1? Lollies.
the dollar.
Yeah. Is it good? Are you having fun here? Christmas is fun?
My Christmas. Christmas.
Yeah. It's Christmas. Ayan, tapos na naman sila maglaro. Ayan, pahingang konti. What are you doing? Who gave you that one? Very good. Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Oh, is it masarap? Is it cold? Masarap. Say masarap. I don't want it. Cold. Careful your dress, Baba. Is it masarap, Baba? Itong mga bata ito, ma'am, kain lang ng kain.
Mga matakaw. Ang tukon.
May mga bitok. Sak, do you have bitok? Do you have bitok? Bitok. Bulate.
Warm.
Warm in your belly. Yeah, warm in your belly because you always eat. Nasaan si Holly?
Paradise, tell me who you seek.